jiggle my memory, please. So you may
Uh,
have the age and all of that, and then there is no time. So to balance what I'm saying quickly, God is a God of grace. God is a God of mercy, right? At 80, at 100, for example, Abraham gave birth. There is no such thing as too late when it comes to God. With God, 1 plus 1 can be 200, though.
mm-hmm.
In as much as I've laid the foundation that time is, because if I don't lay that foundation, we'll be propelling a message that you can live your life, because there's really something that a lot of us grew up, that I can live my life the way I want it. I can do the things that I want the way I want it, right? And there won't be any consequence at all. That is a wrong mindset. Do you understand what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
to go up with a mindset that, oh, I can use the next 50 years, the next 40 years to, there's a colloquial now called oble. I don't know if you've heard it. You're a Nigerian. You're in Nigeria. You can use the first 50 years of your life to do all of that, right? And maybe when you're 60, you pursue purpose. You see, that's a problem, and that's a problem, right? So, but in as much as we know that, in as much as that is something, there is grace available, there is God available. You see, God can still turn around 50 years of work in 1 year for you. So there's a Chinese proverb that says that the best time to plant a tree is yesterday. The next
Mm.
best time is now. So start planting, start doing the work. So for that person, I don't care what age you are, it doesn't matter. As long as you discover the purpose, go to God. Okay, how can I redeem the time? How can I redeem the time? Because you're dealing with someone that knows you, and there's no one that wants you to fulfill purpose more than the one that called you. So go back to the one that called you. He will tell you how to redeem the time within the short period of time. And you never can tell. That might just be the exact time God wanted you to discover purpose.
Wow.
Because it doesn't take eternity for God to do what is eternal. A 1 year old baby can discover purpose and fulfill purpose. It might just be the purpose of a child to be born, and that child will die. It is a school. So I hope I answered that question.
I'm sure you did
I'm sure
answer.
you did answer.
So, like I said, the
So,
question has
like I said, the
three
person have three,
three questions. So I'll go to the next
questions. So
one.
I'll go to the next
Now, the
one.
second one for
Now, the
that one
second
person
one for
was:
that one person
how do
was,
you know when
how do
you're
you know
truly
when you're
living in
truly
alignment
living
with
in
your purpose?
alignment with your purpose? It's God that will tell you. My answer may sound very sarcastic, but it is God. There's no better way to say it. It is God that will tell you. See, you discover purpose in God. It's not by permutation. It's not by calculation. It's not by 1 plus 1. What did God tell you in the place of the sea? And I'm not saying this because I have a pastoral background. The
Hmm.
purpose was created by God, and it's only God that can tell you what it is. And the only person that can prove it is God. So if you want to know that you're in alignment with God, what did God tell you?
Hmm.
Because there's something called prophetic blueprints. I've said it like 1,000 times. You see, I have a book on this. It's free, by the way. Go on Seller and search for prophetic blueprints by Olajide Ajibowo. You will find a copy of a prophetic blueprint. So the list, if all of this list, right, was given to you by God, then there's no more validation you need.
Hmm.
As long as it's the voice of God and you are doing it, it doesn't matter whether it's 10 years, 20 years. And by the way, the fact that someone is getting things really fast, and this is a message to the young ones out there, and I hope this video is going to go viral. See, the fact that you see a young person doing great things, doing mighty things very fast,